Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share this beautiful festive makeup look with you guys. This look is kind of inspired by Alia Bhatt's Rani character from Rocky Aur Rani movie. I think that look is so beautiful and great for traditional wear. Plus it's so freaking easy. 10-15 minute में आप recreate कर सकते हो, and I think that kind of look is perfect to go on each and every traditional look. And I just love the whole outfit and the look and everything together. If you want to watch how I achieved this, then definitely keep on watching till the end and let's get started. Let's get started. I've already done my skincare, so let's start with base makeup first. I am obsessing over this 3 combo. First, I'm gonna mix in Maybelline Fit Me Skin Tint. Then I'm gonna add in Lakme Lumi Cream. And lastly, add in a liquid highlighter. This one is by Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Highlighter in the shade Pink. Mix everything in and apply it on your face. And I swear this is the best hack I've ever tried. And I like to blend this using my fingers only. I've tried it with a brush and it doesn't work that well. Hands works the best for this hack. In one of my recent video, I actually recreated Alia Bhatt's makeup look that she posted on her YouTube video. And that's when she shared this hack. And I have been doing this ever since because it looks so good on my skin. And I feel majority of the actresses do use this trick because their skin always looks glowy and dewy, very skin-like. And this is like the perfect hack for it. Next, let's add some color and dimension on my face. For that, I'll be using Swiss Beauty Instant Cover Pan Stick in the shade 06 Contour. And I'm gonna apply this on my forehead, a jawline, a little bit on the cheekbones, as you can see in the video. This glides on my skin like butter and blends in so beautifully. All done, looking nice. And next I'm going to go ahead with a concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand. And I'm not going to apply too much, just where I need it. So I'm going to apply a little bit near my under eyes, a little bit near the mouth area. If you want to cover something, just apply it over there. And with concealer, little is more. And I'm gonna blend that using my fingers. I feel the warmth of my hands just melts the product in really good. Next, I'm gonna set the concealed area using a loose powder. This one is by K Beauty. And I also like to go over the T-zone area where it usually gets too shiny. For brows, I'm gonna use NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. And I swear, जब से मैंने ये लिया है ना, तब से मैंने कोई अलग brow product use नहीं किया है. This is so freaking good. This is great for traveling, great for everyday use. This has become my favorite now. Next, I'm going to use the same Swiss Beauty contour stick and apply it on my lids as well to add a nice flush of base color. And using a brush, I'm just going to blend the edges so it doesn't look very harsh. Next is the hero product for eye makeup. I'm going to use Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky Kajal. This one is in the shade black and it has the kajal on one end and the sponge smudger on the other. And the application is very easy. There is no rocket science at all. As you can see me doing in the video, just apply a nice layer very close to the lash line. You don't have to be precise because you're going to smudge it any which ways. And then I'm going to use the sponge side and smudge it in. You can make it very dark and smoky or you can keep it light as you wish. But what I like about this product is there's no fallout. This is a kajal basically and you smudge it out. But usually for a smoky eye, we do use a black shadow and there might be a fallout. So this is a very hassle-free, easy, quick method. This is how it's looking at the moment. This is not the finished product. Next, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. And I'm going to pick this brown color and just go over the base shadow that we applied. This will set the whole thing in. I'm going to apply the same shadow on my lower lid as well, concentrating on the outer half. Next, I'm going to pick this darker brown shade and just dab it over the kajal. This will definitely make it darker and give a nice 3D dimension look. See, after this step, it looks so much better. I'm gonna finish it off with some mascara and for that I'll be using Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. Absolute favorite mascara. It just adds so much length to my lashes. I don't need to wear falsies. Look at that before and after. You know what I mean? Next, I'm going to use this product by Gush. It has multiple products stacked in one. So basically, it has a blush, highlighter and bronzer all in one. So travel friendly. And it's actually really, really good. I took this on my trip to Udupi and I was using it every single day. Love the color and it blends beautiful into the skin. Next, I'm going to use the highlighter and apply it on the inner corners. This just makes you look wide awake. And of course, I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face as well. The highlighter is not very glittery, it looks really nice and just feels like inner glow. Let's finish this look with some lippy. I actually recently got two new lipsticks by Tin Cosmetic, one in the shade Toffee and the other one is Plum. Love both the shades. I feel Plum will look better on the kurti that I'm wearing, so let's use Plum. Always line your lips, it just looks 10 times better. I don't like to apply a lot of this product. As you can see in the video, I'm just applying a very tiny amount on the upper and the bottom lip and just blend it with my fingers. This way I feel it just lasts longer. It's very comfortable on the lips, by the way, and look at that shade, so freaking beautiful. It just gives you my lips but better kind of a look and no one will be able to tell that you're wearing a lipstick. I feel this shade is the perfect mauvey nude for me and is going so well with this look. Let's quickly set it with some setting spray. This one is by Miss Claire. And this is the final look. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I am really happy with the way this look turned out. And of course, जो भी products मैंने use किए उसके सारे links मैं description में दे दूंगी. Also, I've tried a lot of new products which I'm really happy about. सारा product का एक storefront link भी होगा description में जहाँ पर आपको सारे products एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.